Welcome to Clarendon College, crowded place filled with joy, happiness, laughters, and sadness. Until rumors spread around the campus. One hunted little girl chasing every student. What is the story behind this? Maria Leonora Teresa, on their first year of high school.
Good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Anna, where are you not standing? I was suspecting your teacher. You didn't listen to me. Where's Anna? Do you guys know anyone named Anna? Yeah, where's she? Sino yun? Rika, don't go there.
The next day,
Oh, that's Teresa, right? Hi guys, how are you? Good morning. Who's that?
as Jeremiah was walking, he met his classmate Gio.
Is this the daycare, bro?
I think so.
Yuri? Yuri?
Jeremiah, help. Wait, that's Yuri, right?
There!
Jeremiah, help. Jeremiah, help. Oh, Gio, did you see my cousin? This is inside with Yuri. Oh, what happened to you?
That's not Yuri. Yuri's not here.
Naniwala ka?
Poor Jeremiah, haven't you wondering if that was not Yuri, then who's that little girl? Does she still even exist?